Guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x32 diecast model of Mahindra Scorpio. As many of you are asking where is Scorpio in my last Mahindra collection video. Second, I'm also going to announce the winners of the Mahindra giveaway at the end of this video. Third, I'm also going to show you the making of 1x32 miniature house and how you can make that. So you can see that video by clicking the card on the top right corner. So let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed the video, and now I'm going to announce the giveaway winners. So the first one is S. Roy, second G Kartikareyan, third RDX Craze. So this is the video how I pick the winners, and congratulations to the winners, and I also request the winners to provide me your email ID in the comment section. So hope you enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.